I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I thought it would be fun to show you how easy it is to move one of these bottle walls. This is just such an easy approach to creating a raised bed that's totally versatile, that you can move and change in whatever shape or form you want. My goal here is to simply bring this large bottle wall around the corner and identify a path that will welcome me into an area that I'm hoping to develop with more shade-loving plants. The process is super simple. All you do is dig out the edge and then move a bottle from one part of the wall into the new space so that they're oriented evenly. Wasn't that so cool how easy it was? I mean, really, in 5 minutes, I've completely reconstructed this, and soon I'm gonna have a proper pathway to develop a whole new area. Now I'm gonna find a couple more small, clear bottles, specifically whiskey and bourbon bottles, to kind of fill in some of the cracks, just to make sure that this bottle wall is complete. I think I'm going to call this the whiskey walk as I start to develop this garden area behind me. I'm just going to line all of our used whiskey bottles in here. Now the final step to prevent a major weed explosion, since I have cultivated the soil nicely, is to top dress with some seed. And this really just allows for the ground plane to be engaged with something that you're purposely growing. So I've got a blend of different varieties of lettuce, and then I'm also gonna give some nasturtiums a try. I absolutely never have success with nasturtiums, but I think it's because they die in the heat of the summer, so I'm gonna try and get them started here and see if they grow this spring. It's always an experiment. As you can see, bottles are a versatile, easy way to create a raised bed in your garden. I hope you'll be inspired to use some bottles this spring. Thanks so much for watching.